The Motorola Edge 70 in Pantone Gadget Gray is one of those phones that quietly catches your attention, not with flashy gimmicks, but with a blend of thoughtful design choices and practical performance. After spending time with it, I've come to appreciate how well it balances style, usability, and everyday capability. It's not trying to be the most powerful handset on the market, but it does aim to feel modern, refined, and genuinely pleasant to live with. The first thing you notice is just how slim it is. At only 5.99mm thick, the Edge 70 has that sleek, almost feather-light quality that makes many modern phones feel slightly bulky by comparison. It slips comfortably into a pocket without creating that familiar rectangular bulge, and it's easy to hold for long stretches, something you appreciate more than you expect when scrolling in bed or catching up on messages during a commute. The Pantone Gadget Gray finish adds a subtle elegance, giving the phone a muted, professional look rather than screaming for attention. It's understated in a way that feels purposeful. Front and center is the 6.67-inch 1.5000 Super HD display, which is a genuine highlight. Colors appear rich without tipping into artificial territory, and the sharper than 1080p resolution does make a difference when reading small text or watching videos in high quality. Everything feels crisp and smooth, making daily tasks a touch more enjoyable. It's not quite in flagship territory, but it comes surprisingly close for its class. Performance is driven by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, which keeps things running with admirable consistency. Apps open promptly, multitasking is fluid, and there's enough power to handle gaming sessions or photo editing without any frustration. It's not designed to compete with the top-tier processors, but it provides more than enough speed for most people's needs. There's also something reassuring about the device incorporating CO offset manufacturing, small steps, certainly, but meaningful in their own way. Battery life is another strong suit. Thanks to the 4800 mAh silicon carbon cell, it comfortably lasts a full day, even with mixed use including streaming, camera work, and the occasional game. Silicon carbon batteries tend to fare better under frequent charging, and the Edge 70 does seem to maintain steady endurance. It's the kind of phone you don't feel compelled to top up constantly, which is always welcome. Speaking of the camera system, Motorola has equipped the Edge 70 with a 5050 MPAI-assisted setup that performs reliably across different lighting conditions. Photos carry a pleasing level of detail, especially in daylight, and colors lean towards natural rather than overly boosted. The AI elements do help with stabilization and scene optimization without making images appear processed. Low-light shots are decent, though not exceptional expected for the segment, but good enough for casual night photography. The ultra-wide and telephoto capabilities round out the experience nicely, offering versatility without complicating the interface. Software is clean and easy to navigate, sticking close to a stock Android feel. Motorola's thoughtful additions, like gesture, shortcuts, and personalization options, enhance usability without overwhelming the system. It's refreshing to use a phone that doesn't require wrestling through layers of menus or pre-installed apps you never asked for, all things considered. The Motorola Edge 70 Pantone Gadget Gray feels like a well-balanced device aimed at people who value design, display quality, and reliable everyday performance. It's slim, attractive, and comfortable to use, with enough power to handle modern demands and a battery that doesn't leave you anxiously eyeing the percentage indicator. The camera system won't replace a professional setup, but it delivers solid results with minimal effort. While it doesn't break new ground, it excels at offering a polished and satisfying experience. If you're after a stylish, capable phone that quietly gets the job done, the Edge 70 is certainly worth considering.